Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. I am one busy mama and today I have something different. It is Causebox. Causebox is a seasonal subscription. I will leave the total here. I did upgrade to annual so that I could customize my options. So I've already forgotten, but I love the box. Beautiful montage of some lovely ladies. So let's get it open and see what's inside. Ooh, and it looks like this. Oh, it says win a free annual membership. Flip over to find out. Did you say free? That's right, the winter unboxing contest. Share your photo or video and you gotta tag Causebox or hashtag Causebox winner 21. So don't miss it. Oh, they always give these postcards, which I do keep. I love it. So I will leave a total at the end of the video, kind of like how I do my FabFitFun. This is the front. And it does give you your options inside. The first option was Thread & Co. Cozy Cloud Wrap, which was $115, or the Rose and Fitzgerald Brushed Gold Kettle, which was $98. That is the kettle, and that's what I chose. So Causebox is a lifestyle type box. Ooh. Paper. Here's the lid. Together. So you could tell this was handmade. I still have some paper there, but all the details. This was made in India. Hope that's not too shiny. And it's 1 liter capacity. So Rose and Fitzgerald established 2013. Number 2 is activated eco reusable silicone baking sheets, $18, or the Boone Supply reusable zip pouches, which were $22. So these are the baking mats and the reusable pouches. Oh, dishwasher safe, although they recommend hand wash. BPA and PVC free, reusable, washable, vegan friendly. Protect your oven trays. Okay, very nice. Next, number 3. Everybody got this. Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Toner, $30. Created with Mediterranean botanical extracts sourced from Umbria, Italy. Oh, I can smell it through the seal. Number 4 is Zeal Living Marble Geo Coasters, $42 value. Very nicely wrapped. Ooh, these are pretty. Very pretty. Oh my gosh. So your other options were True Moringa Rejuvenating Body Polish, which was $34, or Sanctuary Project Thick Gold Hoops. And they show all of them there. Number 5, or Attitude Travel Beauty Pillowcase, $25. So it's a pillowcase. I'm not gonna open it, but this would be the color. And this little pouch is nice, so you can travel with it. Number 6, yearly planner, $32, which I needed. Or Soon Skincare Peony Foot Mask, $45. So there are the options. So here it is. Very pretty. Oh, January through December 2021. I like that it has the little tabs. It has like this gold edging here. Very nice. You can add notes. I like it. Travel friendly too. That was my box for Winter Edition 2021. What do you think? A calendar planner, pillowcases, handmade tea kettle, marble coasters, baking mat, and toner. So one skincare item, the rest are lifestyle items. I really like this box, hashtag Causebox. It's different. But if you're looking for makeup, this is not the makeup subscription box. This is a lifestyle box. So if you're new here and you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I would love to have you here, and comment down below if you are new so I can thank you for joining. And as always, guys, stay safe.